because I have used it, so I can say, okay, this is what this does, and it works well when you add it to your black soap. Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. This is HBS. Thank you guys for always tuning into my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, please kindly subscribe, hit the notification button so you get notified each time I upload videos like this. It's your girl again. Today I'm going to be talking about what you can add to your black soap to make it more effective, less itchy, and for it to give you the result that you desire. So I'll be talking basically on these two soap because I have used it, so I'm going to be talking on it as my review on it because I have used it, so I can say, okay, this is what this does, and it works well when you add it to your black soap. If you are making a black soap, it works well. So basically I'll be talking about these two soap, three soap. Our first training for the year will be starting on the 25th of January. So if you are interested in training with us, you can chat me up on WhatsApp to register. Our website will be launching soon, guys. So watch out for that. You'll be shopping directly from the website. Yeah, the first one is, this is the first one. I'll be talking about this. I don't know if you can see it like that. This is the name, Doodoo Osun. Yeah, that's the name of the soap I'll be talking about. So then okay guys, so Doodoo Osun is known, it has been in existence for a while now. It's really very good. It's really very good. Like it's made with no artificial colors, no preservative, and is biodegradable. So Doodoo Osun is all natural soap, and it's for all skin type, dermatologist tested. So if you want to add any soap to your black soap while making it, this should be one of the soaps you should think about adding to your black soap. It really works well. Like, it foams a lot. It's going to add ladder to your black soap. It foams a lot, like seriously. I think this soap is 150 gram. Yeah, 150 gram. The soap is 150 gram. So it lathers so well, and is made with palm kernel oil, cocoa pod ash, shea butter, honey, aloe vera, camwood powder, lemon juice, and so on. So it's all natural and is really very good when you're making your black soap. You can add this to your black soap. So it depends on the the quantity of black soap you're making. This is 150 gram. So if you are making like if you're making 500 gram of black soap, I think you should use 100 gram of this. That means you shouldn't exhaust the whole soap in here. So that's that about Doodoo Osun black soap. So the next on my list I have with me now is called Blessed. Do not mind this the label, or what do they call it? Do not mind the pack. Do not mind the soap pack. I've used it, so that's why it looks like this. So the name of the soap is Blessed Aloe Vera Herbal Soap. This is fantastic. If you have any skin blemishes, like maybe you have rashes, you have eczema, you have pimples, acne, this works well. It is made with, okay, let me tell you the ingredients it is made with. Okay, so it's made, the ingredients are moringa extract, palm kernel oil, black soap, aloe vera extract, citric acid, dongoyaro extract. Dongoyaro is a Yoruba name for neem. So neem is in this soap. So you know, if you have any skin blemishes, it works well for this. So there is vitamin E and honey in it. There is coconut oil. there is bitter leaf in it. So it's like, this soap is wonderful. I've used it. I am not a light skin person, so I avoid anything that will make my skin you know, let me say extremely white or lightened, because I want to maintain my skin shade right now, my skin tone. So I try to avoid basically all the soap I get in the market. When I use it like a week or two, I begin to get light, which I do not want. So we all have different preferences, so that is my own preferences. I actually make skin lightening and whitening products for people that want it, you understand. So I've been looking for something to use. I didn't get until I laid my hands on this soap. This soap will just lighten you up and brighten up your skin. It will not bleach your skin. It will not change your skin tone excessively, like maybe a shade or 2 shades lighter. That's it, if you use it consistently. And that is what I want. I don't want something that will change my skin tone and make me white, you understand. So this soap is really really very good. Like, it's superb. I can I trust this soap. It's exceptional natural elegance savon medicinal. Okay, so it's all made with natural aloe vera. The name is Blessed, so you can try it. It's really good. Okay, so next on my list is Mekako. Can you see? This is Mekako. Mekako soap is an antiseptic soap. It's really good. Like, if you are making black soap and you want it to have, because you know, when you're making your black soap, you should have a preference for it. You should have a target for the black soap. Maybe you want it to be skin lightening, you want it to remove blemishes and all that. So if you're making a black soap that you want it to remove blemishes and also lighten up your skin, please go for Mekako. Add this to your black soap. Just grate the whole of this to 500 gram of because it's 100 gram. So just grate the whole of this to 500 gram of black soap. It works well. Like, if you try this, you will thank me. When you're making black soap, you're supposed to add an antiseptic soap into that black soap. So I use Mekako and it works well for me. So that is why I'm telling you about it. I wouldn't tell you what I don't know, and I wouldn't tell you what I've not used and what I don't know the effects, you understand, and the benefits. So that is why I'm telling you this. This soap works well. It's an antiseptic soap and it's also lighting up your skin. Using it alone lighten up your skin. So if you add it to your lightening black soap, you know what you will get. It's really good. So try this. And lastly on my list is Agnesia. I don't know if you can see it. It's Agnesia. Okay, hold on. Okay, yeah, so this is the soap. It is Agnesia baby soap. If you have a baby, you know Agnesia powder for rashes and all that on babies. So this is the soap. If you are making a baby soap, a black soap for children and babies, please grate this soap into it. It works well. I've tried it, so that is why I'm telling you about it. I've really tried it and it works so well. So this soap is it contains milk and honey, and it suits the baby's skin. It softens and suits their skin. It's made with palm kernel, glycerin, honey, milk. It contains no animal fat. It contains fragrance water. It contains tetrasodium EDTA and so on. So this soap is really good when you're making a baby soap. So try this. It's really good. It's really good and it works well. So it's 100 gram of soap. So you can use this, a whole of this, in 500 gram of black soap. So I've not used this. So this is the way it comes. So this is the soap. This is the way it comes if you bring it out of the pack. So you can also try this. It really works well. So with that, I've come to the end of today's content. Please, if you like this video, Kindly thumbs up for me, please thumbs up for me, please thumbs up for me. Do not thumbs down. Subscribe to my channel, and please do well to turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload videos like this. See you. Bye.